This Wirefy Heat Shrink male and female connector assortment gives you a generous range of sizes for automotive and industrial wiring projects, from very light to fairly heavy gauge wire. The heat shrink tubing contracts tightly and uses an internal adhesive that forms a weather-resistant seal around the crimped joint, which is ideal for harsh or damp environments. Once crimped correctly, the bullet-style terminals hold the conductor firmly so the wire does not pull out, even when exposed to vibration in vehicles or machinery. The quick disconnect design makes it simple to separate and reconnect circuits during troubleshooting, upgrades, or component replacement without cutting and rejoining wires. The kit is well organized with a large quantity of connectors, so you can stock a workshop or toolbox and handle many different repair and installation tasks. Because these connectors are designed for professional use, they offer a more reliable, cleaner-looking alternative to bare crimp terminals and electrical tape in both hobby and commercial applications.